Kajingbam dan jong kamat ban beteng ban dawa ban pun ulang ba ktien khasi bat garu kan rung no ha Khyrnit Ba Phra jong kariti senchar khadar ha kamat rekam kaseng kongres kalong kajingkeli ka ba Shillong Mail Kyrwoh Atiar ubo kamat kino lam kaseng kongres ha kasngi ka ba kila pelat ya kamat rekam jong ka ha ka khatwai tarik urempang araja arpulai hanong ba Shillong haba jubab ya tege jingkeli ningkong presiden ke MPCC ubalong ru MP syakaluk sabha uba Vincent H Pala ulong kani kamat kadai ba barok kiseng kisngo khia bat pensngo ba kaseng kongres kala dap banyakran yakani nadu snem arjar khandai ulong ru bangi khlam syam labu ha kamat rekam yang menta kadai kamat jong ke sarkar pedeng.
Sir,
yes sir,
one of your most important contribution preserve the identity of Meghalaya. So my question is, right from 2010, there's a demand for inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. When the Congress was in power, both in center and the state, why was the Congress silent on it?
Yeah, you are right. We have been trying right from not even 2010, I think right from 2009. After I became an MP, we worked very hard. But to include any language in the 8th schedule, lots of criteria are required. So it looks a lot of census, a lot of collection on the ground. So these has been done before, and we need to help the recommendations of the states because you cannot just include a language without doing homework. So I think the homework has been done by the Khasi Authors Association, by the government of Meghalaya. I think on the inclusion of the Khasi language or Garo language in the 8th schedule, all of us in the same page, be it any other parties. A resolution has been passed in the floor of the House in Legislative Assembly when the Congress was in power. Same was repeated back there. So I hope very soon that once the government of India have taken all those criteria into consideration, I think we should have no problem on it.
But it does not mention anything in your manifesto.
Yeah, whatever the issues which we don't mention in manifesto which lie with the subject of the central government. So I think we should not unnecessarily put more pages by give promises which we already done it before. We have committed before. So I think that's why we thought that all these we have done it before, we have committed, we have done it before, whatever possible from our side. So the commitment which you made should be only on the state subject, and in the central subject, all those which we have done, we'll stand with it and then we'll always fight.
Jairam Ramesh haba kini ktien ulong ban pen ulang ban penrung yakini ktien ha ka Khyrnit Ba Phra ka jubam po da snem bat kadai kamat ka bahap ban syam rai da sarkar pedeng.
I'm personally speaking personally, I'm 100% in favor of including languages Khasi, Garo. In fact, I myself have been fighting for Bhojpuri, the whole language, the tribal language, Adivasi language in Jharkhand. But unfortunately, there's an elaborate process, elaborate consultative process, and the requirements are very, very complex and complicated. And you know, it's taken years for languages to be included in the 8th schedule. There is a demand for Bhojpuri. At some point of time, I remember I was told by the Home Ministry when I was pleading for the whole language that there are something like 150 demands for inclusion of languages into the 8th schedule. But the important point that you have raised, why is it not there in the manifesto? This manifesto has commitments which the state government of Meghalaya will fulfill. The reason why it does not find a place in the manifesto is because that is a decision that the central government has to do. Of course, the state government will move heaven and earth, but this manifesto deals with decisions to be taken by a Congress government in Shillong when it gets the trust and confidence and the mandate of the people.
The mismanagement of prominent tourist hubs, along with the lack of connectivity, are badly hurting Meghalaya's tourism industry. Is this the future we want for Meghalaya? It's time to speak up about the issues plaguing Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.